last remaining territory on the planet that could have such a designation is Antarctica.
There are some who think it's hiding proof of aliens themselves.
Something seems to be going on this mysterious continent at the South Pole.
The longer the object stayed in the aurora, the brighter the object got. And then it just shot straight up and was gone.
Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden beneath the icy expanse of Antarctica, the most remote and unforgiving continent on Earth? Imagine soaring over a vast white landscape where the air is so cold it feels like it could freeze the very breath in your lungs. This is a place where temperatures plummet to minus 55 degrees Celsius. Now, this place isn't just about the cold that can make your teeth chatter. Non-stop. Imagine hidden under all that ice, secrets so big they could blow your mind. Stories are floating around about strange sightings and stuff that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. What if I told you that buried beneath the ice might be clues to alien visits or hidden worlds we've never seen? Stick around as we dive deep into Antarctica's mysteries. We're talking about a journey to the most chilling parts of our world, to uncover tales that could change how we see everything. Shall we begin? Antarctica has always been a land of mystery and extreme challenge. Its discovery and exploration mark a significant chapter in human history. For centuries, this vast continent at the South Pole has attracted explorers, scientists, and researchers driven by the desire to understand the unknown. Its harsh environment, characterized by freezing temperatures, ice-covered landscapes, and unique ecosystems, presents both a challenge and an opportunity for scientific discovery. Among the numerous research stations established on this icy continent, McMurdo Station stands out. Located on the southern tip of Ross Island, McMurdo is the largest research facility in Antarctica. It has served as a central hub for operational support and scientific research since the United States opened it in 1956. The station is equipped to house and support over 1,000 residents during the summer months, providing a base for a wide range of scientific activities. These activities include studies of geology, oceanography, climate change, and biology, offering crucial insights into the global ecosystem and our planet's history. McMurdo Station's strategic location also makes it a key site for logistical operations in Antarctica, supporting not only American but also international scientific missions. Its purpose extends beyond research. It's a place of international cooperation and understanding, where scientists from around the world come together to uncover the secrets held within Antarctica's icy grasp. The station embodies the human spirit of exploration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, standing as a testament to our determination to explore even the most inhospitable corners of our world. In the midst of Antarctica's icy expanse, a tale surfaced that caught the interest of those who were curious about the secrets of the continent. A retired naval flight engineer, known only as Brian for his safety and privacy, came forward with a tale that added a new layer to the Antarctic mystery. Brian, who served with the Antarctic Development Squadron at McMurdo Station for over a decade, brought with him a wealth of experience and credibility. His role was critical, involving daring rescue missions and supporting scientific research in some of the most remote parts of the continent. Brian's time down in Antarctica definitely wasn't just about keeping warm or ticking off tasks. It had its fair share of moments that would have you rubbing your eyes, wondering if you just stepped into a sci-fi movie scene. Think flying objects with moves smoother than a figure skater's, darting from peak to peak in a way that makes zero sense, according to the laws of physics as we know them. These weren't fleeting glimpses you could dismiss as snowblindness. Oh no, these objects put on a show that had the precision of a Swiss watch and the mystery of a locked treasure chest. It's the kind of thing that would have you half expecting to bump into Mulder and Scully around the next ice block, swapping conspiracy theories over a cup of hot cocoa. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This wasn't a one-time special. It became part of the daily grind for Brian and his crew. Imagine heading out to work, dealing with the usual, minus 50 degrees, blizzards, the odd penguin, and then, just for kicks, adding in a fleet of unidentified flying whatsits doing the tango across the sky. It certainly puts a new spin on just another day at the office. The crew did their fair share of head-scratching, tossing around ideas that ranged from secret tech experiments to alien tourist season in Antarctica. Whatever they were, these sightings turned their stint in the icy wilderness into an episode of The Twilight Zone, minus the creepy music and Rod Serling's monologues. So, what's the deal with these aerial mysteries? Secret military projects, proof that we're not alone, or just nature throwing us a curveball? The truth is still up for grabs. But one thing's clear, Brian's adventures have peeled back a corner of the veil shrouding Antarctica, hinting at a depth of mystery we're only just beginning to explore. During a mission that was anything but routine, Brian and his team found themselves in a situation that would lead to one of their most bewildering discoveries. Tasked with a rescue mission, they were forced to venture into an area usually off-limits, known among the crew as the no-fly zone. It was here, amidst the vast white silence, that they stumbled upon something that was not just out of place but out of this world. As they approached the coordinates of their mission, the landscape revealed a massive cave entrance and a gaping maw in the ice that seemed to swallow the light. This wasn't just any cave. It was enormous, with a diameter stretching over 200 feet, leading into the depths of the ice in a slanting descent. The sheer size of it was enough to give anyone pause, but it was the cave's peculiar characteristics that really caught their attention. As they hovered near this colossal ice cavern, the team's equipment began to falter. Instruments that were reliable minutes ago suddenly went haywire, and the electrical system showed signs of failure. The magnetic anomalies, such as the cave's presence warping the Earth's pull, contributed to the surreal experience. It appeared as though the cave had its own force field, which interfered with technology and put the team's understanding of natural laws to the test. Navigating away from the no-fly zone with their mission complete, the team was left to ponder the significance of their discovery. The mysterious cave entrance was a stark reminder of how much remains undiscovered on our own planet, lurking beneath the ice, waiting for the daring or the foolish to uncover its secrets. The return from their unprecedented discovery was met with an unexpected turn of events for Brian and his team. When they got back to base, they didn't see the familiar faces of their fellow researchers and crew members. Instead, they saw a group of officials whose presence was both unexpected and alarming. These were no ordinary visitors to the icy continent. They were men in suits, clearly from Washington, D.C., a stark contrast to the usual attire seen around McMurdo Station. Their arrival indicated that higher authorities were seriously interested in or concerned about Brian and his team's discovery. The confrontation was swift and to the point. The officials wasted no time in laying down a new set of rules. Under no circumstances were Brian and his team to discuss what they had seen or venture into the no-fly zone again. The gravity with which these instructions were delivered left no room for doubt or negotiation. It was a directive that spoke volumes, hinting at the importance of the cave's secrecy to the U.S. government. The aftermath of this encounter had a profound impact on Brian and his team, both psychologically and in terms of their careers. The weight of carrying such a monumental secret, coupled with the stark warning from the officials, created an atmosphere of tension and unease. The team was left to grapple with the knowledge of something extraordinary, yet they were forbidden from seeking answers or sharing their experience with the world. This not only affected their morale, but also cast a shadow over their sense of purpose in Antarctica. What was meant to be a mission of exploration and discovery had turned into a silent burden, a reminder of their encounter with the unknown that they could neither explore further nor forget. The restrictions imposed on them and the high-level attention their discovery had attracted served as a clear indication that they had stumbled upon something far bigger than they had anticipated. It underscored the reality that some secrets, particularly those hidden in the remote and unforgiving landscapes of Antarctica, are guarded closely, enveloped in layers of mystery and bureaucracy. For Brian and his team, their encounter with the mysterious cave entrance and the subsequent confrontation with officials from Washington, D.C., transformed their Antarctic adventure into a complex web of questions, caution, and the unyielding silence demanded by those in power. The discoveries in Antarctica, particularly beneath its ice, open up a world of possibilities about life in extreme conditions. Scientific exploration has revealed environments under the ice that are warm enough to potentially support life. These discoveries not only challenge our understanding of life on Earth, but also fuel speculation about extraterrestrial life in similar extreme environments, possibly even on Antarctica itself. The idea of alien life forms existing in these hidden oases beneath the ice is intriguing. If life can thrive in such harsh conditions on Earth, what kinds of alien life might exist in similar environments elsewhere in the universe? These speculations extend to the possibility of alien colonies in Antarctica. Such theories suggest that if extraterrestrial beings were to visit Earth, the remote and harsh environment of Antarctica could serve as an ideal location for them to remain undetected. The government's interest in keeping such discoveries a secret might stem from concerns over national security, scientific control, or the potential for public panic. If evidence of extraterrestrial life or technology were found in Antarctica, it could have profound implications for humanity's understanding of our place in the universe. The desire to control such information, study it, and possibly even utilize it could lead to a high level of secrecy. Furthermore, the unique conditions of Antarctica make it an interesting location for aliens. The continent's extreme cold and isolation provide a near-pristine environment that could be valuable for scientific observation by extraterrestrial visitors. The possibility of accessing Earth's biosphere without significant human interference could be another reason for extraterrestrial interest in Antarctica. These discussions raise numerous questions about the nature of life, the universe, and our understanding of both. The combination of scientific discoveries suggesting habitable environments beneath the ice and the speculative exploration of extraterrestrial life forms paints a picture of Antarctica as a place of untold secrets and possibilities. Whether these secrets pertain to alien colonies, government knowledge, or simply the incredible adaptability of life, the mysteries of Antarctica continue to captivate the imagination and curiosity of people around the world. Let us know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell.